Friends, in this session we will see physical properties of alkyl halides. There are certain physical properties of alkyl halides which we will discuss in this lecture. First property is nature of intermolecular forces. As we know students, the functional group of alkyl halides is Rx. In R, that is alkyl group, that is carbon forms a single covalent bond with halogen atom. Halogen atom, we have examples fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. And this single covalent bond between carbon and halogen is having very important role in this nature of intermolecular forces. We can explain, or we can say in single line, the bond between carbon and halogen is polar, and therefore these alkyl halides are polar in nature. So alkyl halides are polar in nature. Let us explain why this is such. Because see here, I will write the representation of alkyl halides. For example, this is carbon and this is halogen. As we know students, halogen, it may be fluorine or chlorine or bromine or iodine. These halogen atoms are more electronegative than carbon. Therefore, whatever shared pair of electron is present in between this carbon and halogen, that will get shifted towards halogen atom due to more electronegativity, and after shifting electron pair towards halogen, it will acquire partial negative charge, and we say it is delta minus. As electron pair goes away from the carbon will acquire partial positive charge, and we say it is delta plus. As two different charged poles are occurred on carbon and halogen, therefore such compound is called as polar in nature. Therefore alkyl halides are polar in nature. Second property is boiling point. As compared to corresponding alkanes, because we know alkyl halides are derivatives of alkanes. As compared to corresponding alkanes, boiling point of alkyl halides is quite high. The reason is, I will write here, boiling point of alkyl halides is higher than corresponding alkanes. It is due to higher molecular mass of alkyl halides, because we know hydrogen is replaced by halogen atom in alkyl halide when it is formed from alkanes, and all halides are heavier than hydrogen. Therefore boiling point or molecular mass of corresponding alkyl halide is more than or higher than alkanes. Due to higher molecular mass, boiling point of corresponding alkanes or boiling points of alkyl halides is higher than corresponding alkanes. Now there is a one more important thing. As molecular mass increases, boiling point also increases. By two ways we can explain the increase in molecular mass and effectively increase in boiling point also. First way, by changing the halogen atom and keeping R constant. I will repeat, by keeping R, that is alkyl group, constant and changing halogen atom. And second way will be by changing alkyl group and keeping halogen atom constant. In both of the ways, as molecular mass increases, boiling point of that compound will increase. I will write the order of both ways. First will be Ri is greater than Rbr is greater than, boiling point I am explaining, RCl is greater than Rf. Please see here students, here I have kept R constant, means either all are methyl groups or ethyl groups, but iodine, bromine, chlorine, fluorine, they are according to decreasing order of their atomic masses. Therefore, effectively molecular masses of these compounds are decreasing and boiling points are also decreasing, or as molecular mass increases, boiling point increases. Third factor is by keeping halogen atom constant and changing length of R group. Example is CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl having greater boiling point than CH3, CH2, Cl having greater boiling point than CH3, Cl. In this case, I have kept chlorine constant, but I am changing the length of R group. Here I have taken propyl chloride, here I have taken ethyl chloride, and last one it is methyl chloride. There is one more important thing in case of isomeric alkyl halides, students, as branching increases or as the surface area increases, boiling point decreases. For isomeric alkyl halides, as branching increases, boiling point decreases. Last example is solubility of alkyl halides. Generally, we discuss our solubility in water, but important thing is, students, although alkyl halides are polar in nature, they do not dissolve in water because they cannot form hydrogen bonding with water. They cannot form hydrogen bonding with water. So we will write alkyl halides are insoluble in water because they cannot form hydrogen bond with water molecule. Remember students, as I said, alkyl halides are insoluble in water because they cannot form hydrogen bond with water molecule, but alkyl halides are soluble in organic solvents. So aryl halides are also showing same trend of solubility. Aryl halides are also insoluble in water and they are soluble in organic solvents.